If you ever tried sharpening a chainsaw, thought there's got to be an easier way. But with a $20 file kit, you're going to see you can get your MS275 chainsaw biting like new right at home and keep your chain at a perfect tension. If you like these sorts of videos, please like and subscribe. Let's get to it. So I got this in the mail. I needed a file around here is half the price or almost half the price of what this kit was. So what do you get? You get your handle, some instructions, you get your depth gauge, flat file, you get 3 files, 7/32, 3/16, 5/32. So the 3/16 is what we need. Yep, that's 3/16. So you take your handle, put it in. You got your gauge or your filing helper, I suppose. So on there you got your whatever degrees you want. You got a 30 and 25, 35 degrees. So what you'll do, you will take this and you'll, whatever degree you want. So this is 25. You line up that mark, like going in the same direction, line it up to your bar, and that's where you'll go. You file on the takeaway, I guess, not drawing back to you. You always file going away from you. So we'll put this in here. And just close it up like that. Come on, you heart-rated sausage fingers. I'm going to start with this tooth. So you just put it in. That's 35. You just go down. Go back 2, 3. That's all you need. Put a little paint. Well, that's not going to help much, is it? You need something black. I need black. Need black. Use gloves, guys. Don't be like me, man. Don't be like me. All right, so we'll just follow the angle of the tooth. Okay, so that side is done. Oh, yeah, I'll see you. I don't have the room to tip over me calf egg. So now, then you have to bring you over the mark that I use for the other side. So now we will just go put that in there. Line her up. So make sure your file follows the angle, right? But line up your proper angle. Even if you don't use one of these holders, that's fine. Just make sure that you put your file in the right direction, and it should, you'll see it, the whole tooth should come in contact with the file. You shouldn't have, let me just use a different file to show you. This is not the right file, so don't harp on me. You shouldn't be like this. You see the gap, and you shouldn't be like this. You see the gap. You should be following it like that, where there's no gap. You're just going to follow the file. You may want to take notice how you file, because if you're right-handed, you got a tendency to do the right-handed part of the saw more than the other. So if you're new, you might want to try at least to have a consistent push and pressure. Always go the same amount of strokes. Gloves. Wear gloves. That's it. That's it. Now I'm just going to take the, I know that it probably don't need it, because I think this is the second time for this chain. So I don't think it will need it, but what you do, it's a depth of 25 thou. So what you do is you put it over your cutting tooth so that the raker comes through that groove, cut out, and yeah, which I figured anyway. It wasn't going to need it. Well, you put it like that, and your raker sticks up through here. You put your file in, and you just file that until it's flush with this. That's how easy it is to sharpen a chainsaw. This is a little loose. When it's cold, it should be never tighten your chain when you got a hot chain, when you've been using it for a while. So I haven't started this up yet, so I'm going to actually tighten that up just a wee little bit. I'm not sure what size that is. I won't have my squinch. 3/8. No. 3/4. 3/4. You just need to loosen this off a bit. Right there. Like that. And you need a screwdriver that's going to fit in there. Fit. Oh, Lord, it's hard to be humble. So then you can, when it's cold, you can give it a little tuggy. So, being a cold chain, that's good. You want it, when you hold the bottle, you want it to snap back. When you pull down, you want about 3 or 4 links showing. And I think that's good enough. That's good. Now you just, when you tighten up your chainsaw, make sure you pull up. You see how that moves? You want to pull that up. don't go too tight on these because you can strip the stud. The MS271 is Stihl, which, I mean, it's not that old, but no problems. Workhorse, man. And now, after a year, the first year, she starts a lot better. Don't know why. Never messed with the screws or anything. So now, she's my main baby. The file does seem to be pretty good. I know I bought a few files, just at the local store. They're not that great. Right from the beginning, very first pass, you hardly see any shavings from the file. But this one here, you can see a lot of shavings as you're sharpening it. So I believe that it's a better quality file. So I don't think that's no review of that, but that's how easy it is to sharpen your chainsaw. Just take your time. And I know I have a video on the bar mount, the bar mount sharpening tool. I like that. It just takes a little bit to set it up. And now that I'm used to it, and I've done it many times, I'm just confident just using the file without the guide. But I wanted to show how to do it. So, thanks, guys. Let's get to cutting some wood. Oh, the joys, the joys.